אני רואה הבית. את רואה בית. היא רואה את בית. הוא רואה את הבית. Which of these examples is correct? If you're a new Hebrew student, I'm sure you can relate to this problem. Two of these examples aren't correct. Can you spot them? The article it is one of the first main hurdles I always have to help my beginner students with. Rest assured, I'll teach you how to use this unique word correctly. Brought to you by Kapara Productions, let's dive straight into it. The word it has no equivalent in English. In Hebrew, we use it to introduce a direct object, meaning a noun that has the word the preceding it in English, or the article hey in Hebrew. This can be any noun, both singular and plural, and can also be a name of a person, a pet, a city, a country, etc. In general, we will use the word it when we are doing something to a direct object, such as seeing it, ordering it, smelling it, wanting it, loving it, hating it, etc. It is technically impossible to avoid the word it in Hebrew, and eventually you'll have to use it. Let's review again the 4 sentences I opened this tutorial with. In the first sentence, we see the noun, the word bait, or house, starts with the letter hey, meaning it's a direct object. I see the house. Since I'm doing something, here, I'm seeing, to a direct object, here, the house, I must insert the word it before habait, the house. Therefore, the correct way to say it would be אני רואה את הבית. In the second example, there is no need for the word it. Why is that? Because here, the word bait wasn't preceded by a hey, meaning it's an indirect object, meaning it's a house, not the house. Next is the third sentence. היא רואה את בית. The article it should always be followed by the ha article, unless the noun is a name, such as the name of a person, of a city, or a country. Therefore, to correct this sentence, add a ha to the word bait to make it ha bait. The fourth sentence is of course correct. As I said, הוא רואה את הבית. He sees the house. And here, the word it was used correctly. Let's move on. As I started saying before, when the noun is a name, we don't need the hey article, as the name in itself is a direct object. Examples: אני שומע את דינה. I hear Dina. אני אוהב את ירושלים. I love Jerusalem. The article it is used alongside many different verbs, but not with every verb. Sadly, there is no method to know which verbs it goes together with. You'll just have to learn how to use it by trial and error. Here's a list of useful verbs the article it would be attached to. לאכול, to eat. לשתות, to drink. לאהוב, to love. לבקר, to visit. לחבק, to hug or to embrace. לראות, to see. לשמוע, to hear. לרצות, to want. לפגוש, to meet. להכיר, to know someone. לדעת, to know something. להזמין, to order or to invite. לנשק, to kiss. להפתיע, to surprise. This list is far from being complete, but it gives you a glimpse of useful verbs you might want to use. Let's see them in action, shall we? אני מחבקת את אבא שלי. I'm hugging my dad. היא כבר יודעת את זה. She already knows that. The word ze translates as it or this, and in this sentence, does not require the hey article. אני רוצה להפתיע את המשפחה שלי. I want to surprise my family. אני לא מכיר את גברת מזרחי. I don't know Mrs. מזרחי. הם אוכלים את העוגה. They are eating the cake. Please notice that the word it can be conjugated, but that's a whole new topic for a different video I already made. Make sure to click the link above to learn all about it. That was the very first video I ever made on this channel, following multiple requests from my students to understand the et conjugations. That is all, guys and girls. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, yalla bye!